Good evening all, welcome back to Vlogmas. Day 17, we're on 17 now. So, good evening all, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 16. Of course, did I just say Vlogmas Day 16? We're getting confused. Vlogmas Day 17. Welcome back to the Interesting Sam channel. Of course, it's me, Interesting Sam, your host. And welcome back to Vlogmas. I don't know why I just said it in a weird accent. Vlogmas Day number 17. I don't know why I just said that again. But anyway, if you're wondering why I'm wearing big coat and hat, because I'm about to head out to the station to collect some tickets. I am, and it's rainy and cold because it's December and the days are short and we don't have any sunlight nowadays. And yeah, I'm going to the station right now to collect our tickets for our Christmas adventure, which we are going on very soon. You guys will see. It's going to be well exciting. If you keep wondering why I'm trying to get the light in on my face from this light. Anyway, that's why I'm moving the camera. Anyway, without further ado, let me hit up the station. Time to open the advent calendar. Number 16, there it is. I'll show you guys what I have in my advent calendar. Once I have opened it, I am not sure what the how it is. If you know what that is, be sure to comment down below and tell me. Can I just say something? I'm very sorry that yesterday's vlog didn't go up till like after midnight. I've been trying to upload it, but it's been taking ages. I did it as usual on the phone, now I'm on the iPad and it says preparing upload. And like, it's not even uploaded yet. Like, what's it doing? Let me give it a refresh. And it still says prepare and upload. A minute ago it said 85% completed. Like, what is YouTube doing? Oh look, see, 85% processed. What's it doing? Doesn't it usually take this long? So hopefully this isn't the end of my channel. Or it's just my internet. We'll find out. So everyone, I finally managed to sort out my bomb hole of a video, and I started rendering it at 11:30 and it didn't go up to like 1:15 midnight, so it was really annoying. And now I've got a pack, and in fact if I say much more, I'll give away what I'm doing, man. Basically, I may as well tell you. I may as well tell you, because when you're watching this, I'll be at the destination taking photos. So, I won't tell you where though, I'll just say the Christmas adventure that you guys have all been waiting for, that I've been mentioning for the past couple of days, that is actually happening tomorrow. So I've got a pack right now, and I'll far surprise Christmas adventure, which I'm going to reveal to you guys in tomorrow's vlog. So I'm not going to tell you where yet, but I'm just going somewhere cool, and I'll tell you very basically. But first of all, I need a pack for that place, so I'm going to know all the stuff I need for my bag, because I'm packing really lightly because I don't want to carry a massive suitcase around. I'm packing lightly, so I need to lay the stuff all on my bed and pack it. And I also need to find my headphones, because bugger knows where I put them. I'll get back to you anyway once I've laid my stuff I need to pack on the bed, and I'm really tired, so I need to hurry up about it. So the time has come to pack my stuff in just one bag. How am I going to do this? Let's see. Alright, it's going to have to go in that big bag over there. Before I get into this, I still have to pack my toothbrush and toothpaste. I'm going to do them in the morning, because obviously I have to brush my teeth. And my Apple Watch charger, which is down there. My iPad and iPad charger, which is charging my iPad. And that's about it really. Oh, and I never did find my headphones, so that's another thing I'm doing in the morning because I'm tired, it's getting a little late and I need to take this sellotape off my bed. I don't know why I just said that. And yeah, some of these things you probably wonder what the hell it is. So we got hairspray, we got deodorant, aftershave, hair gel, and obviously we've got toothpaste, spectacle wash, because obviously you need that. You've got hand gel, you've got a stress ball, which is very funny. I've got this because I get mouth ulcers. I've got my inhaler, I've got spare underpants and clothes, and that's just a little puzzle game and a carry bag to do any shopping maybe, or just it's handy to have a carry bag. Oh, and pyjamas. So all of this has got to fit in that. And that's the stuff there. Let's go in my coat pocket down there. Anyway, I'll show you if I packed it afterwards. So I think I might just about manage to fit everything in. My clothes are already in. Some of my shortcuts, obviously, as I said, I've got a bit of toothpaste and toothbrush and whatnot and chargers. But hopefully, fingers crossed, it fits. I may update you in tomorrow's vlog if it doesn't fit. But I need that out because I need to charge my phone now. Oh, and my portable charger. Let me put that in. Okay. Oh, and ignore those sneakers. They weren't in the shot, okay? So guys, this is where we're going to end today's daily Vlogmas vlog here. I really do hope you enjoyed today's Vlogmas. A very productive day. I've done my packing for my Christmas adventure, and I have sorted all of my video because my Vlogmas, it kind of went of a fail and it didn't upload properly. I had to sort that out, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I forgot to end it. My that Vlogmas you saw last night, I forgot to end it on the right day, and I also had to film a clip on that day because it was dark in the evening, and I don't know what I'm talking about, where I just had to film a clip for yesterday's Vlogmas on the same day. I took it out, but I uploaded it, which kind of also delayed that Vlogmas also. But all in all, today's Vlogmas went very, very well. And tomorrow is the start of my Christmas adventure. Still not telling you guys where I'm going, but it is tomorrow. I will tell you that just in case you see any pictures on my Instagram or anything. It is tomorrow, but I'm not telling you where. It's somewhere I've been before though. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Like if you enjoyed it, comment down below for future Vlogmas ideas. We've only got like 1 week left of Vlogmas. It's gonna be Christmas around the corner before we know it. Anyway guys, subscribe to the channel for more Vlogmas videos, and thank you very much for watching. Good night.
Like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. What's wrong with my face? Thanks for watching.